Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Filmora video editing series. In this video, we are going to create audio visualizers using Filmora. So we are going to create two different types of audio visualizers using Filmora. In the first example, we are going to use the pre-designed audio visualization templates that are available in Filmora 11. And we are going to modify these templates to create our own audio visualizer. So this is the first example of the audio spectrum. In the second example, we are going to create the audio visualizer, or you can say audio spectrum, from the scratch. So we are going to create our own audio spectrum using elements and effects in Filmora. So this is the example of the second audio visualizer. So using Filmora 11, you can create any kind of audio spectrum or audio visualizer. So let's start with the video.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So let's start with the first example. For the first example, I'm going to use the pre-designed template that is available in Filmora 11. So if you have not upgraded to Filmora 11, then I guess there is a free upgrade to Filmora 11. So let's get upgraded to Filmora 11. So I have the Filmora opened. Now under media, you will see the option theme. And under theme, you will see the option audio visualization. Go to audio visualization. So here you will see the pre-designed templates for the audio visualization. You can download these templates and use these templates for audio visualization. I already have downloaded this one, so I'm going to use it. So click on it, drag it and drop it here. So these are the elements that you can see. So let me first play the video. Right, so this is a pre-designed template. Now we can change the elements. So this is the background color. So I guess this is an orange color. If you want to change it, you can also change this background color. Let's say some background image. So let me try image. I'm going to stock media and I have some of the images downloaded. So I'm going to use one of them. So I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to add image here. So this is the background image. So let's stretch it. Okay, now let me crop to fit, so it will fit on the screen. Okay, now this is the image. I'm going to change this image with our own image. So you can modify these templates using your elements and your images and pictures. So I'm going to use this one. So click on it, drag and drop it on this one, on the same one. And it will ask you whether you want to replace it. So click on replace. So we have replaced the image. Now this is the text. So I'm going to change it. Change the position. Okay, so this is the song's name. If you want to change, you can change the song name and name of this singer. So I'm using the Filmora audio, so I'm going to use, so I have changed it to Filmora. Now this is the visualization effect. You can see this waving line. This is the line. Let me play it first. So you will see the change in the movement. So double click on it. Now let's change the intensity so it will look bigger. Opacity. If you want to change the position on X or Y axis, you can change the position also. Right now I'm going to change the audio also, so let me delete the default one, and I have some audios downloaded, so I'm going to use one of them. So you can download many different audios from Filmora, so I'm going to use one of them. So let's use this one, drag it and drop it below, and I'm going to cut it, let's say on 15 seconds. Let me increase the size. Done. Now let me play it. Alright, so this is how you can modify the template spectrum. If you want to change this one, if you want to add another, you can also add another to the template. So it's not like that you cannot modify the template, you can add elements also. So let's go to effects, and here you will see the option audio visualizers. Go to audio visualizers, and you can add any audio visualizer from here. You can download different visualizers. So let me select one of them. So right now we are using this one. Now let's change, or let's add this one. So I'm going to download this one. Okay, and I'm going to use it. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. Increase the size. Now double click on it. Increase the size on X axis so that it will fit horizontally. Okay, and change the position on Y axis. Intensity. Okay, now let's play it. Alright, now let me change the size, the position of this first one. Double click on it and let's move it up. Let's play it again. Alright, so this one looks good. Now let me export this video and let's name it. So we have modified the pre-designed template for the audio visualization. Now in the next example, we are going to design it from the scratch. So we are not going to use any template. We are going to do it manually. Alright, now let me delete all the elements. So everything is deleted. Now let's go to media, and I'm going to use the background image first. So let's go to stock media. I have already downloaded the background image from Pexels. So if you go to Pexels, you will see different options to download the stock media as well as stock videos. So I have downloaded one from this Pexels. So let me go to downloads and drag and drop this one. Let me first delete the empty tracks. Okay, now right click on it and make it crop to fit. Okay, now let's adjust the color of this image. Alright, now go to elements and then go to background, and you will see many different options that you can use as a background overlay. So you can download them. I have already downloaded this one, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, now let me increase the width. Let's go to 15 seconds. We will use 15 seconds. Now you cannot increase the width of this one, so I'm going to copy it and paste it. So this is how we can use it twice. All right, now double click on it. Now we are going to change the settings. Okay, now composing, we are going to change the opacity so that we will be able to see the background image also. Click OK. Now let me remove this because we are changing the properties of this one. Okay, leave the other settings, delete this one, copy and paste this one with the changed opacity. All right, so we have got the image and the background effect. Now we are going to add the image at the center. So let's go to media, stock media, downloads. I have this image, I'm going to use it. And now increase the width. Go to effects, we are going to use mask effect. So search for mask effect. So this is the image mask. Drag it and drop it on this image itself. Select this one. Let's reduce the size and position it at the center. All right, now double click on it, go to image and then go to effect. This is the image mask effect, so click on it. We are using the round. Change the position on the x-axis or y-axis. All right, so this one looks good. Okay, now click OK. Now go to effects again and look for the border effect. So this is the border effect. Drag it and drop it on the image itself. So you will see the border around the mask. Okay, so if you want to change the color of the border, you can double click on it, go to effect, minimize this one, and you will see the border effect. You can change the color or you can change the size also. Okay, I'm going to leave it as it is. Click OK. Right now let's play this one. Alright, now this one looks good. Now go to effects again. Now let's delete the border, and under effects you will see audio visualizers. Click on it. So here you will see different audio visualizers that you can use. I'm going to use one of them. I have already downloaded that one, and this is the one that I'm going to use. So click on it, drag and drop it here. You will see this small one here. Increase the length. Alright, now we need to change the size, the location of this visualizer. So let's double click on it. Intensity, let's increase the intensity. The radius, we need to decrease the radius so that it will fit. Change the position on X or Y axis so that it will come around the actual image. Alright, so this position looks good to me. Let's increase the radius. Alright, click OK. Now I'm going to use another visualizer also. So click on it, drag it and drop it here. This will be at the bottom. So let's increase the width and double click on it to change the settings. X-axis, Y-axis, intensity. Now let's add some music so that we will be able to adjust the settings of these visualizers. So I'm going to audio. I have already downloaded the audio. I'm going to use that one. Click on it, drag and drop it here, and let's cut it at the 15 seconds. Okay, now let's go back and let's see how does this look. Okay, now let's change the position of this one, the second visualizer, and let's reduce the intensity so it will look good. Okay, now let's play it again. So let me go back to effects and then go to audio visualizer, and let's try another one more at the bottom here. So let's delete this one and we are going to use this one. Let me download it. Okay, now let's drag it and drop it here. Okay, now let's change the position, double click on it, change the position on Y-axis, and on the X-axis it looks good. Intensity, let's reduce it. Let's play it again. Okay, this one looks good. Double click on it. Let's see if I can change the color also here. Change it to red. No, that doesn't look good. Let's change it green. Let's play it. Change it to yellow. Okay. Now let's play it again. Similarly, you can change this one also, the second gradient. We are going to change this one and use the single color. So let's double click on it, download it. Okay, now drag it and drop it here. Increase the width, double click on it. Now reduce the radius on the Y axis. Intensity, let's increase the intensity. Change the color to, let's say, black. Okay, now let's play it. Change the color to red and change the intensity also. Let's play it again. Alright, now let's add title. Let's go to title. Already downloaded some titles and we are going to use them. So this one I'm going to use. Click on it, drag it and drop it here. You can use any title. So let's change the position and add the text. Let's change the size. Right, you can also add animation if you want. Double click on it, go to animation. Let's use this one. Okay, now let's play the video. So using Filmora, you can create any kind of audio spectrum, or you can say audio visualizer, or you can also use the pre-designed templates for audio visualization in Filmora. That's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.